babigambira hari Nyacoja Secondary School mu Ruhinda Thauso muri Mitoma bari kutongoza icombeko c'oburaro bw'abishiki ecombekirwe embassy ya Japan aho umukuru w'ishomere ryasimire government ya Japan.
Extend our heartfelt appreciation to the Embassy of Japan in Uganda for the generous donation of 276 Uganda shillings girls dormitory project.
GGP started in 1992 in Uganda. 286 projects implemented so far. This project is the first opportunity to support Mitoma district.
You are a conducive environment to study well. We don't want you to see you dropping out of the schools. We want to see you making more connections, coming to us, and we connect you probably to work with government of Japan. Japan has other scholarships where we can really recommend you, and you go for further studies.
Omukoro gubandize n'ekitambo kya mise kyebembirwa muhwezi wa Archbishop Wambara aho abazire basimire mukuru w'ihango kunywa na government ya Japan na no kwera hwa bishiki bishomere ryo
8 trillion tuza kwigura is the only dormitory to that standard in the whole of East Africa.
Ashebererwa aho kuba bihanya cojoji yabaho imyaka nka 24 yingwiroho tukatunga go buyambe ngo so nsima rahanga nsima imbabazi na rukunde byatugirire nkanyashozwa kandi ntwepanka ware bishomera hitwa Elisia abana 10 no kurengamo nahabwe mbabaza
ebyombe kwebi nibiza kubana biraza beje 200 kandi bimazireho miliyoni 2.5 na mukago mu sente za Uganda otire munane bitanda omakora gandi abebembeze ba district ya Bushenyi basimira umurumo ogwe kigombe cha Lions Club International rucurukoro mu ihanga na munongo mu kwera abantu abanaku aha mukorogo kwemeka president omusya.
I'm not yet fully convinced to join Lions Club, but I'm on the way. Obeying convinced. Maybe when I'm convinced at a certain point, I will come and join so that we can drive together.
Wow! President omusetorinwe Ariska Musime agizire ngo muramwe musya naza kuguteka hakongera abamemba hamwe na nokora abantu abanako.
As Lions, you are aware our main focus is on service delivery, but our strength is derived from members.
As you've been told, Lions is about service to the less fortunate. Whether you are a member of the Lions Club or not, it's incumbent upon us to always serve and support the less fortunate.
Kilabu ya Lions Bushenyi eriyo neza kombeke kizimbe cyo muremba harkabagarame aho bamemba baragumeno bakora imirimo y'ekibina kandi bagize ngo nibenda miliyoni 180.
We intend to close our land. By the way, you people here, our club has land.
Bamemba bari kurengo muri 10 nubo begisira hakigombeki na nekigenderwa cyo kwera abantu. Makuru agagasha kwa Ben Muhozi na Abraham Muganzi.